Hello everyone, welcome to TechTweets YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can move your dock to the right or left. So if you're new to this Mac, keep watching this video. First of all, you need to press Command Spacebar. So I'm pressing Command Spacebar, and here you need to write dock. So if you write dock, you will find the desktop and dock, or dock settings, whatever you like. Go to desktop and dock, and here you can see here are many options related to dock. You can see here it is dock. So you can change the position on screen. You can see it's currently on bottom. So if you select left, it will move to the left side. You can see it's now in the left side. If you need to move it to the right, you can select right here. If you restore the position, then select bottom here. You can see it's now in the bottom. You can also change the dock size. Here you can see you can change the dock size, or you can select the magnification. Like when you hover, it's not it's actually not zooming. So if you want to add a zoom effect, which looks better, sometimes you can see it's now giving me a very nice smooth zooming effect. Here are minimize windows using Genie effect, double click with the window title. But here are many options that you can adjust according to your need. Here is another option. It's called automatically hide and show dock. Sometimes if you see your dock is invisible, it will be invisible like that. You can deselect this option and it will be always visible like me. That is how you can change the dock settings, and you can change dock's position and zoom, everything. Thank you. I will see you in another video.